Hi and welcome to Preschool Genius. In this video, we will learn about one of the most iconic monuments humans ever built, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a really unique and beautiful building that is located in India. It was built a long time ago by Emperor Shah Jahan. It's a very romantic story. The king and his wife loved each other very much, and when she died, he wanted to build a beautiful building to remember her by. He chose a spot by a river in a city called Agra and started building the Taj Mahal. It took many years and many workers to make it, and they used lots of expensive and rare materials like Roman bricks and many precious stones. It's said that over 1,000 elephants were used to carry building materials from all over Asia back to Agra for construction. The Taj Mahal is also made out of special white marble that shines in the sun. It has a big dome on top and 4 tall towers around it. There is also a big garden with lots of trees and flowers in front of it. When the building was finished, it was the most beautiful thing that anyone had ever seen. There are lots of intricate design and pattern all over it. Do you know what else is really cool about the Taj Mahal? The building changes color depending on what time of day it is. In the morning, it looks pink, in the afternoon, it looks white, and at night, it looks golden. Amazing! When the Taj Mahal was built, there were no cars, airplanes, or even electricity. People used to ride horses and camels to get around, and they didn't have phones or computers like we do today. Even though the Taj Mahal is very old, it's still standing strong today. It's a testament to how well built it was and how much people care about it. Many people worldwide come to visit the Taj Mahal because it is so beautiful and unique. The Taj Mahal is not just a beautiful building, it's also an important part of history for the people of India. It is also a very special place that reminds us of the love between a husband and a wife. It is also considered one of the 7 wonders of the world. So that's a little bit about the Taj Mahal. I hope you enjoyed learning about it with me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.